So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you have a 1099-B form selling stocks or investments, here's how to fill it out on TurboTax. Firstly, your 1099-B and make sure you have the correct form and information. In TurboTax, go to Federal and select Income and Expenses. Find Stocks, Manage Mutual Funds, Bonds, or other under Investment Income section. Choose the option to add or enter your investment sales and enter the information from your 1099-B into the corresponding fields in TurboTax. If you have multiple sales, select Add More Sales and enter each transaction. If your 1099-B contains additional boxes or sections, select the option indicating that you have more information to enter and continue adding the required details. Review everything carefully before moving on. And that said, you've entered your 91010, your 1099-B information into TurboTax. Always compare entries with the original form before submitting your tax return. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.